Hey everybody, how are you doing tonight? Just wanted to come in for a few minutes. Going to talk about what is going on in the stock market. So, Nvidia is all over the news this time. But before we get started, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. So, Nvidia, it's all over the news today. It has reached $1 trillion market valuation. They are stating in the media that artificial intelligence is saving the stock market from going into a bear market, right? Complete contrast from what was being reported last week. All right, so Nvidia has tripled. It has tripled in its share price. All right, so that is currently the leader in AI. There are others that are giants in the AI industry, and I'm going to state what is listed: Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, Salesforce, Adobe, ServiceNow, Intuit. So keep in mind, this is not financial advice, for educational, informational purposes only. If you do not know how to trade, this is a great time to learn how to trade. And if you do not want to lose your own money, you can paper trade. You can paper trade until you get the hang of it. So they are predicting that this AI boom is going to be going on for the next decade. So this is a great time to learn how to trade. But you didn't hear that from me, okay? All right, artificial intelligence. This is currently the focus. All right. Trading, just remember to be careful. You can paper trade until you get the hang of it. If you're going to use your real money, only put in what you are willing to lose. Because if you don't know what you're doing, then you can lose your money. So just know that in advance. Like, how much are you willing to lose? So when it comes to trading, you're not going to be putting in crazy amounts of money, especially when you're just learning. You know what I'm saying? So what are you willing to lose? $50, $100, something like that when you're just starting out and you're just learning, right? So that's how trading works. You have to learn it. You have to learn how to trade. So it's not something that you go in putting some crazy amount in when you're just learning, right? Because um, the markets will be like, oh, thank you. Appreciate that. So that's the difference between trading and long-term investing. So long-term investing, as you know, it builds your wealth over time, long term. Trading, on the other hand, you have to learn it first, right? So you can paper trade it or just do a small amount that you're willing to lose until you actually learn it and get the hang of it. But they are saying that this AI boom is going to be going on for over the next decade. So over the next decade, some people are going to become very, very wealthy. And then other people will not realize what's going on. They will not know that the opportunity is here. Um, Other groups of people they have no interest whatsoever in this. No interest whatsoever. So everyone has different interests. Some people will use this opportunity to obtain wealth, this whole artificial intelligence boom. Then other people just don't know about it, and then other people are just not interested about it. So you have these different groups of people. So again, Nvidia is the leader. Then they have this list of other giants in the AI space. They are predicting that the Russell 1000 stock has a great potential of increase up to 19% due to AI. Goldman Sachs has a list of about 10 stocks that are associated with artificial intelligence. And I'm just going to read them off real quickly. So, their companies, there's only one company in here that you may have heard of, but I'm going to read the list of companies and then I'm going to read the prediction for the profit. All right. So, there are 10 stocks named by Goldman Sachs. Number one, Guidewire Software. So this is a software company. Guidewire Software. The prediction that is that it will increase by 388% due to AI. Number two, Claravant. The prediction is that it will increase by 232% due to AI. Number three, Alteryx. The prediction is that it will increase by 203% due to AI. Number four, MongoDB. The prediction is that it will increase by 193% due to AI. Number five, Nutanix. The prediction is that it will increase by 177% due to AI. Number six, Smartsheet. The prediction is that it will increase by 171% due to AI. Number seven, Pinterest. The prediction is that it will increase by 162% due to AI. Number eight, Snowflake. The prediction is that it will increase by 154% due to AI. Number nine, Robert Half. The prediction is that it will increase by 150% due to AI. And number 10, Tenet Healthcare. The prediction is that it will increase by 135% due to AI. All right. So this is what is going on in the stock market. Again, they're talking about the artificial intelligence boom. And they are saying that this will be going on for over the next decade. Nvidia is currently at $1 trillion market valuation. All right, so that is the latest update with the stock market. If you're interested, go ahead and learn how to trade. This is a great time to learn. But do remember that there are risks when it comes to trading, that you should only be trading money that you're willing to lose, especially when you are first learning. Because like I said, with trading will be like, oh, great, thank you. Right? So, but trading does work for people who know how to trade. So those numbers you hear that sound ridiculous, especially you know that Congress trades, right? There's a whole bunch of members of Congress that trade, right? So there are people out here trading with ridiculous amounts of money, and they are gaining ridiculous amounts of money. And that is because they know how to trade. But also, some people have inside information. It's called insider trading. Now, insider trading is illegal, but that's what the Congress is over. That's what the Congress is doing. So, the general public doesn't usually have access to insider information, but there are some software tools out here that will show you where the whales are putting the majority of their money. And the whales are the people that trade with like millions of dollars. And then the software picks that up. Like, oh, $1 million just came here. And so then the little people will go over here and buy here. So they do have some software indicators out there like that when it comes to trading. Um, Generally, for me, I do long-term investing, um, but I know trading is a great opportunity because of what's happening with artificial intelligence. This is a great time to build wealth. There is no better time than what is happening right now. And of course, that's not going to be everything that you're doing, right? It's just a small component in addition to the other things that you're doing to build wealth. And the other things are building your own business or buying a business, um, real estate, like building up your portfolio. Like real estate is slow, so building it up over time, like just getting into the habit of buying properties. So maybe I buy one this year, maybe I buy another one this year, next year, buy another one the following year, like that. You do it slow. And then there are other people out here that are doing it fast, and that is the Airbnb, the midterm rental. So you basically make your own decision as far as the path real estate, but you just know in general that real estate is going to build your wealth, right? So you're creating your business, you're into real estate, and then you're doing long-term investing, and then just a little piece on the side, learning how to trade because of this AI boom. But that's really up to you. You didn't hear this information from me. It's not financial advice, just for educational and informational purposes only. Okay, so remember, it's not financial advice. All right, but this is a great time to build wealth. So if you're interested, start building. There are people out here that have no interest in this whatsoever. So some people believe that you're in a competition, but there's enough for all of you watching, if that's what you desire, knowing that everyone does not desire it. That's why I don't see it as a competition, because I know everybody doesn't want it. Everybody is not interested in it. But then other people, they do see it as a competition. So, but this is a great time to build wealth if you're interested in building wealth. Like I said before, everybody is not interested in building wealth. People have other things that are more important than wealth, right? And everybody is different. I don't judge people. Um, People have different things that they consider to be important. All right, so I'm going to get off of this channel right now. Before I leave, do me a favor. Hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. Also, leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your nights. See you next time.